Hi everyone, this is just a really quick video about the feedback fruits that you're going to be using to evaluate your peers' practice on the gamified activity that you've created for Assessment 3. So this is going to be an opportunity for you to not only see what others have created, to find out what is out there, but also consider if you could adapt the task to suit your own specialization. It's also an opportunity for you to practice evaluation against a list of criteria and levels, because you're going to be very soon doing this to your own students. And here you'll be using a rubric with set criteria and set levels. And the research also tells us that in providing feedback to your peers, you are more likely to learn on a more deeper level than just completing the task itself on your own. So this video is going to show you how to make your group for feedback fruits and focus your attention to some of the details of the application. So to join a group, you need to go to the Communication tab, which is up here on VUC, and select Groups. You're going to view available groups, and my one, because I am mine looks slightly different to yours. You will scroll down to all of the groups here. Okay, AT3 presentation groups, and you need to find the tutorial that aligns with your specific enrolled class. If you're unsure of your tutorial number, check your timetable for its label or ask your tutor. You need to choose whichever group you are assigned to, and your tutor will assign this to you in the class. And you'll have a section here where it says enroll in group or join group. Okay, now because I'm the tutor, I'm allocated to every group. Okay, so here you'll have join group. You'll see the email of your group members and you'll see the names as well. Okay. So there's a maximum of 5 members per group, but if you have less, that's fine as well. We just have a maximum of 5. The Feedback Fruits tool itself is very user-friendly. So after you submit your documents, just follow through the instructions as it's pretty clear. Okay, you need to submit the template and any other documents that you've created as part of this assessment. You need to submit that here as well. In addition to submitting it here, and we suggest you do this before all members start presenting so that it is easy and quicker to do the evaluation after, you must submit all of these files as well in the VUC Dropbox so that your tutor can assess your gamified activity. Okay, so there's 2 places where you need to submit: the feedback fruits so that your peers can see your work, and the Dropbox as well. So do this at the same time so you don't forget. Once everyone has presented, you need to evaluate your group members, and to do this, just follow the instructions of the feedback fruits. But the biggest thing that you need to remember is to submit all documents before the presentations begin to both the feedback fruits and the VUC space, the Dropbox. And if you can't evaluate straight away on your peers' activities, it could be because they haven't finished uploading the files, or you might just need to keep refreshing the page. It seems to be just a little bit slow in those places on the uptake, so just be patient. After everyone has evaluated, you should be able to review these evaluations at the end, and the evaluation that you provide is anonymous. We're really excited to use this new online evaluation tool as part of your learning and evaluation, and we hope that you gain something from the experience. Good luck, everyone.